Namaskar. Bridge course Standard 7th Maths Day 35. Today we are see unit percent profit and percent loss. Let's understand total cost price. What is the meaning of total cost price? In trading, all expenses, that is cost of object, tax, transport, porterage, etc. incurred on an article before it can be sold have to be added to the cost price of the article is called the total cost price. म्हणजेच आपल्याला एकूण खरेदी किंमत जर काढायची असेल तर वस्तूची खरेदी किंमत त्यामध्ये टॅक्स, वाहतूक, ट्रान्सपोर्ट, पोर्टरेज, हमाली यासारखे जे छोटे छोटे खर्च असतील ते सगळे मिळवावे लागतात आणि ते मिळून एकूण खरेदी किंमत होते. When determining the percentage of profit or loss, it is compared with the cost price. म्हणजेच खरेदी किमतीवरतीच आपल्याला शेकडा नफा किंवा शेकडा तोटा काढावा लागतो. When we say that the profit or the loss was 10%, we mean that the profit or the loss is 10 rupees. If the total cost price is taken to be 100 रुपीज. म्हणजेच 10% जर नफा किंवा तोटा सांगितला असेल तर त्यावेळेला कॉस्ट प्राईस ही खरेदी किंमत ही 100 रुपये असते आणि 100 रुपयाला 10 रुपये फायदा किंवा 10 रुपये तोटा झालेला असतो. लेट्स प्रॅक्टिस. एक्झाम्पल, जोसेफ बाउट अ मशीन फॉर ₹23,500. ही पेड ₹300 फॉर टॅक्स and spent ₹1,200 on transport. He sold the machine for ₹24,250. Then Joseph have profit or loss? What was its percent? First, we can given a cost price of machine 23,500, but any expenses, that means tax and transport, can also given. So first we find total cost price. Total cost price is equal cost of machine plus tax plus transport, and we get a total cost price. Cost of machine is 23,500 plus tax 300 plus transport 1,200. Total become 25,000 rupees. That means total cost price is 25,000 rupees. He sold the machine for 24,250. That means we give a total selling price of the machine is a 24,250 rupees. Here we can compare cost price and selling price. Cost price is bigger than selling price, so Joseph have a loss. There is a loss. We can find how many loss he have. So we use a formula of loss. Loss is equal cost price minus selling price. Cost price is 25,000 minus selling price is 24,250. The subtraction answer is 750. So he have a loss of 750 rupees. Now what can we find? What was its percentage? So we can find a percent loss. Let us suppose the percent loss was y. Y upon 100 is equal, here loss is 750, out of cost price is 25,000. Remember that we can find a percent loss on the value of cost price. 750 out of 25,000, and we can find percent, so y out of 100. Now we obtain an equation by cross multiplication. Therefore, y multiply 25,000 is equal 750 multiply 100. We can find a value of y is equal 25,000 can be exchanged on the right side and it undergoes dividation to 750 multiply 100. First, we can divide 100 to the 25,000. Then we can strike 1 0 here and divide 25 ones are 25 threes are. So y is equal 3. Y means percent loss. Therefore, we write a word answer. Joseph was 3% loss. Joseph was 3% loss. Solve it. Example first. Gokul Chand bought trousers for rupees 400 and sold it for rupees 448. Also bought shirt for rupees 200 and sold it for rupees 225. Which of these transactions was more profitable? Here Gokul Chand bought trousers as well as shirt. There is 2 transactions, so we can find a profit of each transaction. First, here we can take a trousers. Trousers cost price is equal 400 rupees and selling price is equal 448 rupees. Then we can compare cost price and selling price. Selling price is bigger than cost price, so there is profit. Now we can find a profit by the profit formula. Profit is equal selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 448 minus cost price 400. Subtraction answer is 48. Therefore, profit is equal 48 rupees. Now we can find a percent profit to compare the profitable transaction. Let us suppose the percent profit was X. We shall express the ratio of profit to total cost price in 2 forms. X upon 100 is equal, profit is 48 out of cost price is 400. We can obtain an equation. X multiply 400, taken a cross multiplication, 48 multiply 100. Therefore, X is equal 48 multiply 100 upon 400. We can divide 100 to 400 and then again we can divide 4 to 48. Here answer of division is 12. X is equal 12. That means trousers profit is 12%. Now we can find the shirt profit. shirt. Cost price is equal 200 rupees and selling price is 225 rupees. Compare these two price. Selling price is bigger than cost price, so there is profit. We can find a profit by using formula. Profit is equal selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 225 minus cost price is 200. Answer of subtraction is 25. Therefore, profit is equal 25 rupees. But we can compare, so we find a percent profit. Let us suppose the percent profit was X. We shall express the ratio of profit to total cost price in two forms. X upon 100 is equal, profit is 25 and cost price is 200. X out of 100 and 25 out of 200. Percent profit we can find on the cost price. Now we can obtain an equation by cross multiplication. Therefore, X multiply 200 is equal 25 multiply 100. Therefore, X is equal 25 multiply 100 upon 200. 200 can exchange on the right side and it can undergo dividation. Here 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, and when we can divide 25 by 2, the answer become 12.5. That means the shirt profit is 12.5%, but trousers profit is 12% and shirts profit is 12.5%. Trousers profit is 12% and shirt profit is 12.5%. So shirt transaction is more profitable. Shirt transaction is more profitable. See the next example. Mansukh bought a cupboard for rupees 4,500 and sold it for rupees 4,950. What was his percent profit? We can first write a cupboard cost price is 4,500 rupees and selling price is 4,950 rupees. Comparing these two price, selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore, there is profit. First of all, profit. Profit is equal selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 4,950 minus cost price is 4,550. Therefore, profit is equal 450. Subtraction answer is 450. Profit is equal 450 rupees. Now we can find a percent profit. Let us suppose the percent profit was Y. We shall express the ratio of profit to total cost of price in two forms. Y upon 100 is equal, profit is 450 and cost price is 4,500. we can obtain an equation by cross multiplication. Y multiply 4500 is equal 100 multiply 450. We can find a value of y. Exchange a 4500 to the right side and it undergoes dividation. 4500. We can strike two zeros, that means divided by 100. 40 ones are and 40 tens are 450. 45 ones are and 45 tens are 450. Answer is 10. That means Mansukh was 10% profit. Thank you.